Hello everyone, and welcome to this YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about what this channel is all about, what to expect from us, and how to efficiently follow along as we move forward. Before we get started on today's topic, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any video we put out in the future. Now here on this channel, we are going to be mainly focusing on technical analysis and forecasting. We will be using smart money techniques and ICT concept for our forecasts and technical analysis. I hope you are ready for the journey ahead, because I sure am. And if you are, let's get down to business. Now, as I said on the earlier slide, one of our main focus is forecasting. And when it comes to forecasting, there are two types we're going to focus on. First one is weekly forecast. So before the market opens for a new trading week, there will be a video for weekly forecast. Yes, you guessed it. We're also going to provide daily forecast as well. We will also be doing reviews of the forecast provided and how you could study and engage with price with the analysis given. The technical analysis tools we're going to use from the ICT or smart money concepts, also known as PD arrays, include old highs and lows, rejection block, order block, fair value gap or FVG, mitigation block, and last but not the least, breaker. Since we are going to be forecasting on weekly and sometimes on a daily basis, we will be using key levels from the weekly and daily chart predominantly. It is imperative that you have an understanding of the technical tools we will be using. So if you do not know any of the PD arrays mentioned in the previous slide, do not worry, and also in order to avoid any misunderstanding, just head over to YouTube and search The Inner Circle Trader, go to playlists and look for 2016 Premium ICT Mentorship Core Content, Month 4, and from there you can familiarize yourself with the PD arrays and stay on track with it. Nonetheless, I will create a video playlist which will contain the listed PD arrays we will be using. And that will be it for this video. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.